How to log into Jobstreets.com. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into Jobstreets.com. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser. And here you can just search for Jobstreet.com and then hit enter. So from here you can just open up the link that you see, Jobstreet.com, and now you can choose your go ahead and choose your jobs or your country. And once you choose your country, you have an option to sign in or register. So if you already have an account, you can just simply tap on sign in, or if you're new, you can register for a new one. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on sign in. And here you will just have to enter your email address. And once you enter your email address here, you will be sent a code on your email, which will help you verify your account. So just go ahead and enter your email. Now you can click on this I am not a robot and complete this quick CAPTCHA here. So I'm just going to do that quickly and then click on verify. And once that is done, you can just tap on email me a sign-in code, or you can directly continue with Google, Facebook, and Apple ID as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.